Good evening and welcome to the Casual Chef's Kitchen. I hope you enjoy this presentation. On tonight's menu, coconut curry chicken and sweet potato poutine fries. The morning mise en place. Just after prep with added items. Evening mise en place. All the goodies for the sweet potato fries. Mixing all the goodies with the sweet potato fries. Getting ready for the hot box. And the sweet potatoes are in the hot box. Melting some butter in a saute pan. Adding the red onion, garlic, and ginger and saute for about a minute. Add the yellow bell pepper and saute. Add the chicken and saute for several minutes. Add the coconut milk and stir. Add the curry paste and stir to combine. Add some fresh basil. Here's the final chicken with red curry. The sweet potato fries are ready. The layer of sweet potato fries. Then I added shredded cheese. And here's the final plating of tonight's wonderful meal. Thank you for joining me here in the Casual Chef's Kitchen. I hope you enjoyed this presentation. Have fun cooking.